Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how I turned my Barbie from this to this. This is how she looks like now. This is 22 years old Barbie. Basically, this is my first Barbie. Barbie, you don't go to a tanning salon? She said yes. To give her some color, I'm gonna use my foundation and a sponge. Applying foundation, doing her face, and beautiful leg. And look at the change. Before, after, before, after. I bought my Barbie's dresses from Amazon and they're so beautiful. Tell me Barbie, which one you want to wear today? I think you're gonna like this black and white with the red bow. These dresses and these shoes, they come in a whole set. I highly recommend these and I want her to wear a black pair of shoes. Look at these beautiful black slingback heels and I am going to turn them to red bottoms. I'm applying a red nail polish underneath her shoes to make them red bottom. Applying a couple more coats. Look at this. The red bottom looks so beautiful, right? Let's give her some beautiful brows. I'm using my eye pencil to draw her brows. Using the same pencil to give her a cat eye look. Same thing for right eye. I love glitters, so I'm using my glitter nail polish and applying these on her lids. Moving on to her face makeup. Using my concealer and applying that under her eye. Using my contour stick and a liner brush. Shaping her nose, defining her cheeks, using my concealer and applying that under her eye, on her nose, cheeks, and forehead. Using my cream highlighter and highlighting her face, forehead. Now I'm using my eyeshadow brush and taking a pink blush. Put this on her cheeks. Ooh, she looks pretty. Let's give her some beautiful lashes. Cutting my lashes into tiny, small lashes so that they can fit my Barbie's eyes. My camera turned off so I cannot show you the lash application. Let's give her beautiful hair. I cut her hair off to install the wig. I bought this wig from Amazon and that fits big for her. So what I'm gonna do is, I will put this on using a safety pin to pin this and later I'm gonna sew this and ta-da! Her hair looks great! I have used my lip pencil for her lips. Let's put her shoes on. Wow, she looks beautiful! And here, this is the final result. This Barbie is so close to my heart because this is my first Barbie. I'm restoring this Barbie especially for my birthday. I'm really happy with the result. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Bye!